Mounting a red dot sight onto a shotgun can vastly increase the accuracy of the gun. But can you mount just any sight, or do you need to consider for recoil? Some red dots simply are not built to withstand the forces of the relatively heavy recoil you experience with a shotgun. That's why in today's video we are going to show you best 5 red dot sights for shotgun that can improve your accuracy. Let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Enhance your shotgun accuracy with Vortex Venom, a high-performance red dot sight that delivers excellent value for money to maximize your performance when you need it the most. The Venom Red Dot Sight 3 MOA promotes a rapid target acquisition while providing a precise point of aim to get your shots downrange and on target fast. It features adjustable elevation and windage dials with 1 MOA clicks to make your sighting a breeze. Its high-quality, fully multi-coated lenses offer a clean, wide field of view, while its power and dot intensity controls lets you choose between 10 brightness levels without any hassle. It also has an auto brightness mode that uses an ambient light sensor to control dot intensity if the shooter prefers. Its aluminum housing ensures this unit will stand up to whatever you throw at it, while its O-ring seals prevent moisture, dust, and debris from penetrating for reliable performance in all environments. Packed with a powerhouse battery, it offers up to 150 hours of use at highest settings or up to 30,000 hours on low settings. Its top-load system makes changing the battery a relatively effortless task, as you will not have to remove your sight to change the power source to maximize your success rate. The Vortex Venom offers excellent value for money to enhance your shooting in every condition. You can get one for yourself at around $250 from any online store. A compact open reflex sight for shotguns, the Crimson Trace CTS 1300 is ready to elevate your shooting performance instantly. Featuring a 3.5 MOA round aiming dot, it allows you to pick up and stay locked on your target without any problem. Besides, it is fully adjustable for windage and elevation. With low-profile M1913 Picatinny mount, it has an industry-standard mounting interface that keeps it locked with a shotgun, so you can keep a sharp focus on your target. Plus, it boasts of a shock, impact, and fog-resistant design that offers extreme durability. In addition, the presence of superior glass quality and advanced notch coating allows for maximum clarity, ensuring a wide field of view. You can also change the battery without removing the optic or affecting the zero position, making it ideal for practical use in the field. Moreover, with Crimson Trace protection, these 3 batteries can perform for a long time so that you can use this sight without any hassle. If you're looking for small sights for your favorite shotgun, then the Crimson Trace CTS 1300 is built to elevate your shooting experience. This amazing sight is starting from $195. A red dot sight that packs quality with an incredibly affordable price tag. Hour Romeo 5 offers multiple brightness settings and an automatic shutter feature to make it into one irresistible package. With a combination of 2 MOA along with 10 illumination settings, ensures excellent visibility in literally every lighting conditions. The lens is coated with highly efficient ultra-wide broadband anti-reflection coatings to reduce surface reflections to extremely low levels across the entire visible spectrum, providing superior light transmission. Romeo 5 with its integrated M1913 Picatinny interface will mount on a wide range of shotguns, while the solid aluminum design will give peak performance and years of service. To add to that, it's IPX7 rated, which means it is fog-proof and waterproof, giving this sight the much-needed durability and strength. In addition, the Romeo 5 features motion-activated illumination, or MOTAC, which increases battery life by shutting down the system when not in use and instantly activates the system when it senses the slightest vibration or movement. This increases the battery life by a staggering 40,000 hours, allowing you to stay ready for any kind of tactical situation. Arguably the most reasonably priced sight out there, Hour Romeo 5 is boasts of some spectacular features, making it an excellent pick. You can get it for $170. If you're after clear glass and largest view, then get yourself introduced with Leopold Delta Point Pro, our second best red dot sight that is always ready to meet your demands in every situation. It boasts a 2.5 MOA dot reticle for pinpoint accuracy and features true 1 MOA click adjustments that offer unparalleled ease of use in any situation. This sight's diamond coat aspheric lens increases the usable field of view by up to 56% and provides a scratch-resistant crystal clear image every time you use it. With the help of its battery-saving motion sensor technology, it automatically deactivates illumination after 5 minutes of inactivity, yet reacts instantly when movement is detected. Housed in durable yet lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, this sight is 100% water and fog-proof to offer best performance no matter the condition is. Featuring a spring-actuated battery compartment, this sight offers tool-less battery change in tactical situations to enhance your performance. The Leopold Delta Point Pro boasts one of the clearest glass and offers excellent view that can enhance your success rate with your shotgun. Introducing the #1 red dot sight for shotguns on our list. The Holosun HS43C, a powerful sight that is jam-packed with advanced technology and convenient features to make your shotgun shooting super accurate. With the perfect combination of two MOA red dots and high-quality military-grade lens, this sight offers parallax-free viewing experience with pinpoint accuracy. Featuring 10 daytime and 2 night vision settings, this sight enables you to stay locked on your target no matter the lighting condition is. Housed in a high-strength aluminum, it comes with IP67 waterproof rating, which gives you the ultimate confidence to use it in any weather condition. Forget the days of changing the battery, as it comes with 2 power systems. Primarily solar powered, the red dot brightness auto-adjusts according to available light and switches to battery power when in dark. Its low-profile mount allows you to easily mount it on any shotgun and it stays locked in place to ensure it doesn't wobble while in use. The Holosun HS43C delivers best overall performance to offer the essential accuracy that you would need. You can get one for yourself at around $200. So that was all about the best 5 red dot sight for shotgun for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.